Well, hello, this is Tom and Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a 4-star, that's the name of the radio, 4-star, 16 transistor AM and FM radio. And it's AC or DC powered. It's got a built-in AC adapter. The cord is stored in the back. Over here we have the tuning knob, telescopic antenna, handle, very familiar case, earbud jack, and it even has the original tag with the price on it, $24.95. In perfect condition. The only thing I struggle with is the dial, sorry for the reflection, is dark blue, which you can't even see on black, and dark red, which you could barely see on black. I mean, what were those guys thinking? And there's no backlight or anything. Oh, well. I don't know what they were thinking when they came up with this. All right, let's extend the telescopic antenna. If I can get, come. Oh, here we go. Let's see, that's pretty long, about 36 inches. No, that's it, does not swivel. All right, and we are on AM. Turn the volume on.
Hasn't been kicked out of school, he's just suspended.
Suspended?
Here's
the guy.
Let me tune it.
Here's the guy. And it's labeled side of the story. This is after he lawyered up, after he talked to Dave Portnoy the night before. And after he admitted to Dave Portnoy that he was the guy that did it, and in talking
strong,
to Dave Portnoy,
but kind of muffled.
Condo that had a support beam show a massive crack. Engineers are still going through the South Beach
A little
Street
better.
to make sure there are no.
Back then, the speakers didn't do a very good job. That's really a improvement they made recently. No, maybe it wants to. Yeah, it wants to face this way.
Ferry. The night. One of the. 61-year tariffs on cars, steel.
It's doing okay as far as reception. Let me go. It's got FM and AFC, automatic frequency control, which I don't know why they had that separate back then, but they did. And we got to turn the volume down because it's probably music. Okay. Boy, look at the reflection. Oh my gosh. What a reflection. Okay. Boy.
Arrested in all.
Not picking much on F. Picking up. Well, doing better now. Yeah, didn't do too fantastic on FM. Let's try FM AFC. And we'll tune the dial real quick. Little better, still nothing on the top of the band. I don't know why it's not doing very good on the top of the band. Anyway, I'm going to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. This is, he says, I'm looking at my notes he gave me, 1960 vintage, and of course made in Japan. He did have it serviced, aligned, and caps replaced. So it's about as good as it's going to get. It's a model 1606. I don't know if I mentioned that. That's about it. I want you to have a great day. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that I'm providing shows that are of interest to you and not just wasting your time. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.